Good morning, students. Now HS2ndyr Commerce CMST class it is, and disappointing thing. Only two students, Jarina and Lal Rembai, are responding the homework, so they will be treated as only present. Remaining all will be treated as absent. So if it is less than 80% attendance, so board will not allow to sit in the final exam. So I again appeal to all the students to watch the video class and do the homework and submit the homework to my personal account number. So let's start the class. So already we have done up to 17 of exercise 3.1. So today we'll do question number 18. 18, what they said: if A set A has 3 elements, B has 6 elements, what is the minimum number of elements in A union B, and what is the maximum number of elements in A union B? So what they have given number of elements in A, that is cardinal number of A, that is Na is 3, and B, cardinal number of B is given as 6, and nothing they have given. They only said what will be the element in N A union B, maximum number and minimum number they have said. So we know N A union B is Na plus NB minus NA intersection B. This is according to the set theory. We have already learned that number of elements in A union B should be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus this. So this we know. Now see that it is the 3, this is 6, and we don't know about this one. So we get 9 minus NA intersection B. Now see that this value, if this has any positive value, this one, then so it will make the less of 9. But if it is what, if it is 0, it will give the maximum value of this one. So can it be 0? Yes. And A intersection B, this can be 0 if they are disjoint like that, no common element. Then it will give the maximum value. And maximum value of this one will give the minimum value of this one. For N A intersection B is equal to 0, maximum value of NA union B is there, and it is automatically 9. That part you have to learn. You have to understand this one, that what is the minimum value of this one. It can be lowest value is 0. So lowest value of 0 means this will give the highest value of this one. And for maximum NA intersection B. So when can be the maximum value of A intersection? A has 3 elements, B has 6 elements. If A is inside B, it is B, it has 3, it has 6, then A intersection B is 3. It is the maximum value of this can be 3, because they have, if we combine at least only 3 elements they can have. So this will give the minimum value of A union B, and it will be what, 9 minus 3, and it is 6. Students, that part is a little bit, you have to understand that one. We get this one is 9 minus this, means for minimum value of this will be maximum. For maximum value of this, we get the minimum of that one. If it is 0, then it is the minimum value of A intersection B, and it is 9 minus 0 is 9. So this is the maximum value, it is 9. Maximum value of A intersection B can be 3 only, because here 3 element, here 6 element. The common element maximum can be 3. So of course A intersection B is 3, it is a maximum value. And if we put 3 here, 9 minus 3 is 6, it is the minimum value of A union B. Now we will do question number 19. They said use set theory and find the maximum, find the HCF and LCM. Find HCF and LCM. That we have to find from this one. Now, let A is equal to factors of 15. So it is 3 and 5. B is equal to 20 factors of 21, 3 and 7. C is equal to 20 can be written as 2, 2, 5. That is factors of 20. So first what we have to do? All terms. First one, that is 15's factors are 3 and 5. We have written 3 and 5 as its first set. 21, its factors are what? 3 and 7 we have written. And 20, its factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 2, 5. We can write that is 4, 5 are 20. Then A union B union C. If we unite all the things, it will be 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. We know this one. How to write A union B union C? A union B union C is what? You have to combine all that. So here 3, 5. Yes, 3, 5 is there. 3, 7. Yes, 3, 7 written. 2, 2, 5. Yes, 2, 2, 5. So it is this one. Then LCM is product of all the terms. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So automatically it is 4 to 0. According to my, suppose it is 3, 7 jar. So I think I have written one terms more. Okay, later we will come this one. Now A intersection B intersection C, that is common element of this. There the common element we get what? A intersection B intersection C. Sorry, I have written here wrong. It is 30. So 2, 3, 5. That's why I think I am wrong. So 1, 2 will be not there. So yes, little you make it here. I have written it is 30. So that's why it is this. Now A intersection B intersection C is common element is 3. The HCF will be what? Product of what element? It is the only one element, so it will be 3. So again I want to repeat what I have done here. First I have factorized the things 15, 3, 5, 21, 3, 7, 30, 2 into 3, 2, 3, 5. Then I found A union B union C. It is what I combine all the 3 sets and I have written. Then LCM will be the product of all the numbers. If we multiply all the numbers, it is 210. Then A intersection B intersection C we have found, and it is what? Common element between A, B, C. It is only single element 3. So this gives product of the numbers, all the numbers in this set. Here to 3 is there only, so 3 will be the answer. So I expect you will do question number 2 as your homework. This one by using set theory 24, 30, 42, 54. We have to find HCF and LCM of these things. And yes, only one sum, it is not looking good. So another also 6, 15 and 39. I want to give as your homework. Simple it is. Don't worry about this one. Now question number 20. Only you have to factorize and union will find. Okay, if you fail to do, I will show. Now question number 20. They said whether two sets, that is A, x such that thrice x minus 9 equal to 0 and B, x such that x is a prime number less than 5. Whether they are disjoint. Disjoint means whether they have no common element. So here you see that if we calculate the value of x, here 9 will go this side, x will be 9 by 3, that is 3. Here x is a prime number less than 5. So prime numbers less than 5 to 2 and 3. So we get what? Common element between this and that. It is the 3 is common, so it is not disjoint. So A intersection B is equal to what? Set containing 3. It is not 5. So it is not disjoint. Similarly, if we do question number 2, that is L x such that x lies between 2 and 5 and x is natural number. Automatically, natural numbers between 2 and 5 are what? 3 and 4. Then M, they say it is what? X square minus 10x minus 24 equal to 0. If we do the middle term factor and then we can get the values of x's are 2 and minus 2 and 12. Now see that L intersection B though not common, so it is L and M has no common element. It is 5, so they are disjoint. So we can declare them that they are disjoint. Now question number 3. It is what? X is a square and T, x is a pentagon. So pentagon and square, they have the no common element. So it is automatically, without writing anything, you can say they are disjoint. Question number 4. Set of all isosceles triangle and B, set of all right angle triangle. So isosceles triangle and right angle triangle, they have the no common element. Nothing is common. Isosceles cannot be what? Isosceles and right angle triangle, they are there. We can write that another things are there. That is, if we take the common, some isosceles can be this right angle triangle, but all the isosceles cannot be right angle triangle. And yes, we can find here something that isosceles triangles means two sides equal, and right angle triangle means that one angle should be 90 degree. Here condition is 90 degree. So some angles, some triangles can be that both the property. So it is not disjoint. So we have done this sum also. Now question number 21. They say S is given. X lies between 3 and 8. And T, they say X such that it is lies between 5 and 9. So you see that if we consider the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First one, greater than 3, less than 8. So that portion. This one, greater than 5, sorry, I have not written 4, so 4, 5, suppose it is 6. Greater than 4, greater than 5, but less than 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our 9. So see that first one is this to that, second one is this to that. Then what is the common element? So that portion, this is the that to that and this is that. So automatically this to that portion will be the common. So here S intersection T, automatically we can write greater than 5 and less than what? Less than 8. So you see that what portion is common here? This is to this to that, that is that to that. So only this portion is common. This is what? In between 5 and 8. So this is the common. Similarly, number 2, A is given as x square minus 4 equal to 0. B is x such that x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. This one will give x as minus 2 and plus 2. If we solve, then these two value will come. If we solve, then we will get only the 6 and 2, so it is minus 2 plus 6. Now, if we take the common element, so they have only the value, so here it will be plus 2 minus 2, but here 6 minus 2 minus 6 will come. If we factorize this, x minus 6 and plus 2 will come. So 2 and minus 6 will be the, if we factorize, we can write x plus 6, x minus 2. So x is 2 and 6. So it is 2 and minus 6. That common element is what? So A intersection B, common element is only 2. So that we have done. I expect you will do this term. This homework we will do. So that much for today.